Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about female reproductive system. So let's start our topic with introduction. Female reproductive system is a complex biological system that is responsible for producing eggs, supporting fertilization, and providing an environment for development of fetus. It plays a vital role in human reproduction and is closely linked with hormonal regulation and overall health. Anatomy of female reproductive system. System consists of both internal organs and external structures. Internal organs contain ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus, cervix, and vagina, while external structures contain vulva, labia, and clitoris. Each part has specialized functions that contribute to reproduction. First, we will talk about ovaries. Ovaries are small, almond-shaped organs that are located on either side of uterus. They produce egg through the process of ovulation and secrete hormones such as estrogen and progesterone, which regulate the menstrual cycle and secondary sexual characteristics. Second is fallopian tubes. These are narrow tubes that connect the ovaries to the uterus. Fertilization of the egg by sperm usually occur in the fallopian tube. Cilia lining the tube help transport the fertilized egg toward the uterus. Third part of female reproductive system is uterus. Uterus is a muscular pear-shaped organ where the fertilized egg implants and develop into a fetus. It has three layers: the endometrium, that is inner lining, myometrium, that is muscular middle layer, and perimetrium, that is outer covering. Next part of female reproductive system is cervix. Cervix is the lower narrow part of the uterus that opens into vagina. It produces mucus that changes consistency during the menstrual cycle to either block or facilitate sperm entry. During childbirth, the cervix dilates to allow passage of the baby. Next part of female reproductive system is vagina. Vagina is a muscular canal that connects the cervix to the external body. It serves as a passage for menstrual flow, sexual intercourse, and childbirth. Its acidic environment helps protect against infections. Next part is external genitalia. That include vulva, that includes the labia majora, labia minora, and clitoris and vaginal opening. These structures protect internal organs and play a role in sexual arousal. Menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle is a monthly process that prepares the female body for pregnancy. It consists of four phases: menstrual phase, follicular phase, ovulation, and luteal phase. Hormones such as estrogen, progesterone, follicle stimulating hormone, and luteinizing hormone regulate these changes. Hormonal regulation in female reproductive system. Hypothalamic-pituitary gland control the release of hormone that regulate ovarian function. Estrogen promote growth of endometrium while progesterone stabilize it for possible implantation. Fertilization. Fertilization occurs when sperm cells successfully penetrate an egg in the fallopian tube. The zygote then travels to the uterus for implantation. Pregnancy. During pregnancy, the uterus provides nourishment and protection to the developing fetus. Placenta forms to facilitate exchange of nutrients, oxygen, and waste between mother and child. Childbirth. Childbirth involves three stages: dilation of the cervix, delivery of the baby, and expulsion of the placenta. Hormones such as oxytocin play a key role in stimulating uterine contraction. Common disorders of female reproductive system. Some common disorders include polycystic ovary syndrome, endometriosis, uterine fibroids, and infertility. These conditions may affect reproductive health and require medical attention. Conclusion of this lecture video. Female reproductive system is essential for continuation of life. Its intricate structure and hormonal regulation ensure the process of ovulation, fertilization, pregnancy, and childbirth. Understanding this system is crucial for promoting reproductive health and managing related disorders. And this was all about female reproductive system. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching.